When you flush the toilet or wash your hands, the water goes away. But where does it go? Plumbers help the water travel through pipes. They make sure everything works and nothing leaks. Inside the walls, there are lots of pipes. They are hidden, but they are very important. Today we will learn why these pipes matter in your house. Some homes use one big pipe for all the water. Other homes use two pipes to keep things working well. The pipes carry water away so your house stays clean and does not smell bad. If pipes break, water can leak and make a mess. Bad smells can come too. Learning about pipes can help you take care of your home. Pipes also stop stinky air from coming back into your house. Plumbers and builders work hard to make sure everything is safe and clean. Now, let's look inside a building and see how the pipes work. Are you ready? Let's start learning about pipes and where the water goes. When you use water at home, it goes down the drain. But not all water is the same. Knowing the difference helps keep our homes safe and clean. Plumbers talk about two kinds of dirty water. They are called gray water and black water. We keep them apart to make things work better. Gray water comes from showers and sinks. Black water comes from toilets. It is much dirtier. Gray water is not very dirty. It is just water with soap or a little dirt. It comes from washing your hands or brushing your teeth, or from washing clothes in the washing machine. Gray water is safer. Sometimes people use it to water plants. It can even be used to flush toilets again. This saves clean water. Black water comes from the toilet. It has germs and must go away safely. It can also come from the kitchen sink if there is food or grease. Black water is very dirty. It can make people sick if not handled right. This water must go to the sewer or a special tank outside. It cannot be reused at home. It needs to be cleaned at a treatment plant. If there is no sewer, it goes to a septic tank underground. Keeping gray water and black water apart helps plumbers do their job. Gray water is easier to handle. Black water needs special care. Black water pipes must be strong and sealed tight. If you mix them, all the water must be treated like black water. That is harder and costs more, but if you keep them separate, you can save water and help the planet. Plumbers make sure pipes for each kind of water go the right way. Their job is to move all dirty water out safely. If a black water pipe gets blocked, it is a big problem. It can make people sick. If a gray water pipe gets blocked, it is still bad, but not as dangerous. Learning about gray water and black water is the first step to understanding your home's pipes. It helps you know how your house works and how to keep it safe. Now let's see how these waters move through the pipes in your walls. Imagine a big pipe in your house. This is called the single stack. All the dirty water from sinks, toilets, and tubs goes into this one big pipe. Think of the pipe like a tree. The sinks and toilets are the leaves. The small pipes are like branches. The big pipe is the trunk. This way is simple and easy. It uses less stuff and saves space. That's why many homes use it. But the pipe must be big enough for all the water. The small pipes must join at the right angle. This helps water move fast and not get stuck. If the pipe is too small, water can back up. When it works, everything flows out and stays clean. The single stack is simple, but it needs to be built just right. One big pipe, many jobs. Next, let's see how the pipe gets air. When water goes down the drain, it pushes air inside the pipes. If the air cannot move, the pipes make funny sounds. Drains can be slow. Bad smells can come out. Pipes need to breathe. If they can't, stinky air can get into your house. Water can disappear from the pipe traps. The answer is vent pipes. These pipes let air in and out. The vent pipe goes up through the roof. It lets fresh air come in. It lets stinky air go out. This keeps the water in the traps. It stops bad smells from coming inside. Sometimes a vent pipe to the roof is not possible. Then a special valve can help. This valve lets air in but keeps stinky air out. But every house still needs at least one vent pipe to the roof. Vent pipes keep your home safe and smelling nice. They help everything work well. Now let's meet the double stack system. There are two pipes standing next to each other. One pipe takes dirty water from the toilet. The other pipe takes water from the sink and shower. Each pipe has its own job. The pipes run side by side until they meet at the end. This keeps the really dirty water away from the not-so-dirty water. The two pipes stay apart for as long as they can. This system is used in old buildings and tall buildings. People use it when they want things to work really well. But there is a problem. Two pipes cost more money, they take up more space, and they need more work to put in. That's why new houses don't use this system much, but it is still important for big or tricky buildings. Having two pipes makes things safer and more steady. One pipe takes away toilet water. The other pipe takes water from sinks and showers. It's like having two helpers instead of one. That way, everything works just right. Why do we need two pipes? It's to keep things working right in our homes. One pipe takes away the really dirty water from the toilet. The other pipe takes water from sinks and showers. If we mix all the water together, it can make big problems. Sometimes air can get pulled in and make bad smells or noises. Two pipes help stop this. Each pipe does its own job. This keeps our home safe, clean, and smelling nice. Let's look at two ways to move dirty water out of a building. The first way uses one big pipe for everything. This is called single stack. The second way uses two pipes. This is called double stack. One pipe is easy and saves space. Two pipes are strong and safe. Which one is better? It depends on what you need. If you want to save money and space, use one pipe. If your building is very tall or very busy, two pipes are safer. There is no one right answer for everyone. Pick the one that fits your home or building best. The right choice keeps water moving and everyone happy. And that's what good plumbing is all about. How do you pick the right pipes for your home? First, look at your house. Is it big or small? Next, think about money. Do you want to save or spend more? And do you have lots of space or just a little? If you live in a small house, one pipe is best. It is easy, quick, and does not cost much. But if you live in a very tall building, you need two pipes. This keeps everything safe and working well. Sometimes the rules in your town tell you what to use. Ask a plumber if you are not sure. The best pipes are the ones you never have to think about. Inside your walls there are pipes like secret tunnels. These pipes carry water away when you wash or flush. Some water is just a little dirty, like from the sink or shower. Some water is very dirty, like from the toilet. The pipes keep the dirty water away from you. Some homes use one big pipe, some use two. Both ways work to keep your house safe and clean. If you live in a tall building, you might need more pipes. The best pipes are the ones you never have to think about. Next time you use water, remember the pipes working for you. What kind of pipes do you think are in your walls?